Today I'm going to be presenting what I call guaranteed issue on steroids. Remember, this program is going to be first day coverage on a non-medical guaranteed issue basis up to $75,000 of face amount. Let's get started. Let's talk about some of these plan highlights. This product is needed by all life insurance agents. If you're actively selling life insurance, at some point in time, you will find a need for this policy. So here we go. It is guaranteed issue. It's available between the ages of 18 and 70. You can purchase face amounts between $10,000 all the way to $75,000. Now that's a little bit unheard of on a guaranteed issue basis. It is first day coverage. It is not a graded death benefit plan. In fact, they don't even have a graded plan. It's first day coverage only. Again, there are no health questions. This is guaranteed issue. There's no question about height or weight. They're not going to do an RX prescription drug check. No MIB, so they're not going to check the Medical Information Bureau. No checking of your driving record. And in essence, no underwriting. There is a 10-minute e-app process that's all it takes. The premiums are paid up at age 95, builds cash values, the premiums never increase, and the coverage amounts stay level for life. Premiums include a chronic illness living benefit rider, and it's available in all states except New York. It's underwritten by an A+ rated carrier. I know what you're probably thinking. What's going on here? How can a company do this? I've been in this business a long time. You're an active life insurance agent. Well, here's the trick. This is a group plan that's available to individuals. There's only one qualification for a prospect or a client to be able to qualify for this program, and it is an actively at work question. So the client has to be actively at work a minimum of 20 hours per week for wage or profit for the past 90 days. That's it. The carrier is Allstate Benefits, which is a Allstate life insurance company subsidiary. And a little bit about Allstate Benefits. So Allstate right now has over 50,000 groups in the United States, insuring more than 4 million working individuals nationwide. And I like this vision statement. Life insurance companies, health insurance companies, not so much health anymore, but life insurance companies, it's called underwriting. So they'll cherry pick who they want to insure and who they don't want to insure. Well, again, if this individual is working, based on the definition, they can get a policy. So I like their vision statement. We believe that everyone should have the option of quality, affordable insurance from a company they trust. And again, that's Allstate. When they do enroll, each client will get their own client login link. They could change their billing. They can print their policy. Everything is there in their Allstate benefit portal. So there are available riders. So a spouse can get their own policy as long as, or if they are working, the same definition, a minimum of 20 hours per week. Their the spouse is eligible for $10,000, $20,000, or $30,000 of life insurance, and that also builds cash value. If the spouse is not working, then they are eligible for $10,000 of coverage. They have a child rider, and for only $9.10 per month, they can cover all children up to age 19, so it's up to age 18, and if they are still in school, all the way up to age 25, okay? And they're insured for $20,000 of coverage. When the children reach the ages of 19 or 26, they have the ability to convert that $20,000 up to 5 times or $100,000 of whole life coverage, have their own policy without any evidence of insurability. So I'm going to send this presentation to you, and there's some links in it which you can click on and view, but here's a little video that kind of goes through this unique exclusive way to buy a cash value whole life policy up to $75,000, again, between the ages of 18 and 70, no exams, no medical questions, no prescription checks. All you have to do is collect their name, their date of birth, their social security address, name beneficiary, and just question them if they're currently employed by that definition. These premiums are very affordable, and again, it's a 10-minute online application, enrollment application. Everybody wants to think that this is really expensive, and it's not. I'm going to go through this very quickly, and again, you're going to get a copy of this, but we showed a quick example of a male age 50, a non-tobacco user, for $25,000 of coverage. Now with Allstate plan, it's called Complete Life. They only have one rate class, and that would be $63.71. And again, there's no underwriting. It's guaranteed issue with immediate coverage. That price includes a chronic illness rider. So not only do they have $25,000 of coverage, but in the event that they can't perform 2 of those 6 activities of daily living for 90 days, Allstate will cut a check for the entire $25,000, even though the client is still alive, to be able to use it for expenses. So it's always good to sell as much life insurance as you can, because they have 100%, in essence, a chronic illness rider, which is very similar to long-term care. So some of these carriers have preferred and standard rates, select rates, which might be graded or might be substandard. But like Transamerica has 3 products. They've got the Solutions product, preferred and standard, and their new Express product called Select. And as you can see, they do have first day coverage, and at prices higher than Allstate's, but it is underwritten, all right? And they possibly could get first day coverage if it's accepted. This policy does not have the chronic illness rider. So now you could look at, again, United of Omaha. I put the price in order, and if they don't qualify, possibly they can be offered a graded policy. Transamerica, United of Omaha, Corebridge, to give a few, have a graded policy. And again, more expensive. You can use the difference in the premium to buy more life insurance with Allstate. So if they can afford $90 and they're $63, they could get 30% more life insurance for the same amount of money with first day coverage and a chronic illness rider. Then you have the pure guaranteed issue, no medical questions, very similar to the Allstate plan. But look at the price, and look at, it's a 2-year wait. The modified and the guaranteed issue are all 2 or 3 year waiting periods. So again, just to let you know that it's very competitive. 50% of our policies coming in today are with young, healthy families. They have a lot of kids. They want to make sure that they get at least some coverage. And when you think about, the average income that somebody makes in the United States $50,000, $75,000, that could pay for a couple of years while the beneficiaries, the survivors, get through the process. Are you interested?